Welcome to an opportunity to get a little extra credit points. I know some of you after the first exam asked if there was any way you could improve your score. And so what I have done is, and you probably saw it before, I had put it at the bottom of the discussion board, but I want to go there and just kind of walk through this with you so that you understand the extra credit assignment. The extra credit assignment can be done anytime in the next few weeks. I need it done before week 6, and that way I'll be able to make sure you get all the points that you deserve. So what I've done is opened up my home page. That's what you're seeing here. This is my home page on Blackboard, and if you scroll down on Blackboard underneath Course Tools, is discussion board. Now, I've emphasized this in a couple of emails, but let me make it clear again. The discussion board is classroom participation. So if you're doing the discussion boards and the discussion board questions and you're replying as well, and you're doing it all on time in the week that it's assigned, then that's classroom participation. And so that will also factor into your final grade. But on your Blackboard, go to discussion board, click on discussion board, and you'll see the whole course listed right here. And you'll open that up, and then you'll go over and you'll scroll all the way down. So you'll see, let me stop and emphasize this again, right here in week 4, that's this week. So in week 4, there's your discussion board question and replies that you're supposed to be about for this week as part of your assignment. You'll notice there's not one for week 5. Week 5 is next week. That's Thanksgiving week. So I hope that the shorter amount of work will allow you to enjoy a little bit of time off. But also in week 5 is our next exam. And so you need to make sure you cover all 3 lectures this week and get that discussion board done so you can get full credit for this week in classroom participation. But after discussion board 4, where it says right here, week 8, drop down right here. And this is what I want us to focus on for a few minutes as an extra credit opportunity. It says opinion and response, Christian worldview. So if you go right here, I've posted the link to an article. And so the instructions are this. Read the article by Dockery. David Dockery is the author's name. Read the article by Dockery on the importance of a Christian worldview. And here's the link right here. Write your opinion on one of the particular Christian worldview applications listed by Dockery. Answer the following question. In your opinion, do you agree with his application? Why or why not? So pick one of the applications, and I'm going to go to that article. I'm going to cut and paste this link and go to that article so you can see exactly what you need to do. And then read the article, and then when you come down to his application points, I want you to either agree or disagree with one of them, and then explain why or why not you disagree, agree or disagree with one of them. And then you can respond up to 2 other students and their opinion paper. So I'll go right here. I'll highlight this link. I'll hit Control C to copy it. I'll go and open a new tab. And in that new tab, I will put the link, Control V if you're on a PC, and then hit Enter, and it'll take you right to that article. So you can see there it's a part of the Gospel Project curriculum, and you'll see right here the importance of a Christian worldview. So you'll scroll down, you'll read the article as you see it right there, and a lot of it will be familiar with you. We've already spent some time at length reading Ryken's book and studying about Christian worldview. And when you get all the way down here, I'm still scrolling, you're still reading, where it says particular applications, you'll see right here that he has 6 applications right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want you to agree with or disagree with one of his applications, and in your opinion paper, explain why you agree or disagree with it. And that will, by your work that's done on that assignment, I will assign to you some extra credit points. And also, you can earn a point or two of extra credit by replying or responding to someone else's opinion on one of those applications. So that's the idea, and that's listed at the bottom of your discussion board questions. So make sure you keep up with this each week. Like I said before, week 4, you scroll back up there. There's 2 for week 6. Week 4, that's this week. There's the questionnaire to answer, and then you can comment on another student's reflection. But I also want to go back up here, and this video is being posted underneath the learning activities for week 4. Obviously, I'm filming the video now, so it's not up there yet, but you can see the 3 lectures and this extra credit opportunity. But I also want to show you that in the 3 lectures and a little bit of extra work you're doing this week, that in week 5 you just have the exam. And so there's the week 5 schedule. There's the exam 2 review, kind of like I did before, just kind of walking through for a few moments on concepts and terms and items you need to be familiar with. Then you can take the exam, and hopefully you'll be able to get that done early in the week so that you can enjoy some time over the Thanksgiving break. And so that will be your extra credit opportunity. Again, as always, don't hesitate to contact me. And if you're not sure how to contact me, you've already received emails from me. That works. But you can also, if you go back to the main menu for your for this class, you'll see as you scroll down the syllabus, right there's all my contact information. And so feel free to call me at the office, on my cell phone, email, whatever works best for you. So trust that this will be an encouragement to you and that you'll continue to do well. As I mentioned in the email, overall, the average test score was a solid B, and so that's good. That's a good average to have in a class our size. So take advantage of this opportunity if you so choose to increase the points and percentage score of exam number 1. I will continue praying for you and trust that you'll continue to learn that which God has for you in this course. God bless you.